Hello, to make a network diagrams smaller, you can do it. Let's go first into the system. You log in, then you should find your this project. Then you go to the results. So you open the full story. So this is the results from your previous run. And then you are going to the diagrams which you want to make smaller. So this is a diagram which is big, and since it was built on 20 top master regulators, so if we see it's in more resolution, you can see this is indeed very big diagram. So it might not fit into your publication. So we want to make it smaller. Namely, we want to see only top 10 or maybe top 5 molecules. So to do that, first you have to switch to the platform view. So you can open in the platform view the data projects where you want to work. So then to go exactly to the place where this diagram was created in the project tree, you right click, then you click show in the tree. So then it jumps directly into the place of the tree where this diagram is located. So now actually this diagram has already developed, created by putting expression value on the diagram, but original diagram without expression values is in this file, so you can open it as well. So it's essentially the same diagram, just without these expression values. So we want to actually create a smaller variant of that diagram first. And to see how this diagram is created, you first have to open this panel, which is below here. And here in this panel, you see in the info box here the analysis name which was used to generate this diagram. So to generate it again, you have to click here on this analysis tool. And this analysis tool then will be opened here with exactly the same parameters it was to generate this diagram. And as you can see, it uses 20 top ranking molecules to generate the diagram. So we want to make it smaller. So let's choose, for instance, 6 top molecules. And then we want to create a variant to the different output of the diagram and the respective tables with transcription factors. So, and then you simply click run. So now it takes all the necessary data from the project which we were just running to generate this big diagram, and at the end it will create the smaller one. Okay, so now it creates a smaller diagram using just the first 6 top molecules. So you can zoom it out to see that it's indeed small. It includes actually six top master regulators, which expressed from these 4 top genes. So now to put expression values on this diagram, what we have to do is we have to use this tool, add expression values, as it was done with this bigger diagram. So you open this add expression value by clicking it here, and it will add the expression values, but you have to put here, instead of old diagram, the big one, you put here the small one. All right, and then you have to change the name, of course, variant 2, to generate the picture with a smaller diagram. So now it is going to map all these expression values. So you see we have these shades around the molecules which correspond to the expression values, and actually you can make them even more pronounced by changing a little bit the scale of expression mapping. Here the maximum is 1, minimum is -1, so if we decrease this value into, let's say, 0.8 and minus 4.8, so then this expression value is getting a little bit more pronounced in the picture, so you can see them more clearly. Now what we can do, we can save this diagram as a file on your local computer by clicking on this export button. So you have to select the format, for example PNG, and then you save it. Okay, that's it.